This monkey works for a treehouse company.
At first, the company is busy.
The company has lots of orders. Customers keep placing new orders.
The whole workshop stays busy.
So everyone keeps working. Then borrowing gets more expensive.
Some customers borrow less. So fewer customers place orders.
The order board starts to empty. The workshop gets slower. Finished work starts piling up. Money coming in gets smaller. Costs stay high. The company cannot keep paying the same team for too little work. First, the company may cut hours or shifts. Then some workers have little to do. And sometimes, the company lays workers off.
It is not because they stopped mattering. When sales fall, companies often keep fewer workers.
Layoffs usually happen when a company cannot keep paying the same team after demand falls.